In this video, we are going to discuss tips which you need to follow while practicing shorthand. So, generally speaking, if you want to do any kind of work, first of all, what you need to have? Yes, you need to have patience and interest in that particular area or particular situation. Without interest, if you are doing anything, and without patience, if you are doing anything, without proper devotion, if you are doing anything, nothing you will yield out of that work. But the entire work which you have done will go in vain, isn't it? So in the same manner, the first tip in shorthand is you should have patience and interest and dedication, devotion and determination to practice and to become and to get good command over this subject, isn't it? First one is patience, because patience is key for every success. You need to have patience. Okay. Second one is, the second tip is perfection. Okay. Perfection is nothing but the strokes which you are practicing, the lessons which you are taking from the classes, and the dictations which you are taking, and the transcriptions which you are making should be perfect in nature. There should not be any awkward situations where you will be writing stroke very awkwardly that the other person can't able to read. It should be in a position that you can read and the other people should also read. That means the corrector who is correcting your paper. The second tip is perfection. And the third tip is time. So many people will ask, how many hours we need to practice shorthand? There is no hard and fast rule that you will get shorthand within 1 month and within 2 months. There are so many people who will be telling you can get shorthand, you can become perfect in shorthand within 2 months, 3 months. It is not the truth and it is not the fact. So shorthand requires minimum 1 year, 6 months for completing the instructor Bitman shorthand, and another 4 months for becoming perfect in dictations. You need to take dictations from different people, then only you become perfect. There is no hard and fast rule that you will become only within 2 or 3 months. It is not going to happen in the real world. It is going to be happen in the artificial or virtual world. That's it. And third one is time. Okay. And the fourth one is regular memorizing of all the chapters which you have discussed in the previous classes. Regular classes means the grammar the phrases, the contractions and the advanced phrases. Everything you need to revise again and again, because in every passage, if you are taking into consideration, out of 100%, 60 to 50%, 50 to 60%, you will be getting only these grammar locks. Without these grammar locks, phrases, attachments and contractions, there is no such passage. So another 40% or 50% may be any dry words or any hard words, any extra words which you may get, new words. But 50% definitely you will get grammar locks. So practice these grammar locks, phrases, contractions on a regular basis to become perfect. Done. Fourth one is regular practice of all the things which were discussed in the previous classes. And the fifth one is how many hours you need to practice. So when you are beginner, if you are a beginner, you need to practice compulsory 3 hours or 4 hours. No excuses for this. If you want to practice 1 hour, so practice little bit. So take again gap and again continue with it. So but don't practice only 1 hour in a day. Practice 4 hours or 3 hours in a day. Then only you can become and you can get good command over this subject. And the fifth one is very important, posture. How you are sitting and writing. So some people, if they are practicing at home, they will sit on sofa, they will sit on relaxed chairs and practice. It is not the way of practicing the shorthand. You should have good posture and good gesture. So you should put your feet on the floor and your left hand on the book, and right hand should work writing. That means you should practice with right hand. You should sit. You should take one comfortable table where you can be sufficient, where it will be sufficient for you, and practice. Done. And the last one is Regular practice. Daily you need to practice. Daily. There should not be gap. You should not give gap. So after completing lower grade also, you should not leave it. Try to attempt 100 words per minute and try to go for 100 words per minute. And this I want to tell. So when you are in 80 words per minute, if you are taking dictations, don't take dictations of higher grades, because it will lessen your confidence levels. Are you getting? So if you are in 80 words per minute, try to take less words, no problem, like 60 words per minute, 70 words per minute, until you become perfect in 80 words. Without being perfect in 80 words per minute, if you want to go for 100 words per minute, there is no use. Everything will go in vain. So go step by step. So if you are in the present situation and waiting for future, nothing will give results to you. If you are working hard in the present situation and waiting for the future, everything will come to your feet, isn't it? So practice well. Follow all the 6 tips which I told in this video. I will be telling more tips in the upcoming videos. So make sure you will be having 3 P's in your mind while practicing. First one is patience, second one is practice, and third one is perfection. Okay, and also 3 D's: dedication, devotion, and determination. I hope you all will follow this video and these tips. I hope these tips will be helpful for you to become good and become good master in the shorthand language. Thank you.